Hi everyone! For releasing this Toyota Prado 2023 model. The upgrades we have done on this unit is, let's go first with the interior. Safety is our priority here. So we recommend the client using Vantrue Nexus 5. This is a 4-channel dashcam, front, exterior. This is the front interior. And the back, there's a front camera inside and outside. This is 4-channel dashcam. And the power supply we're using is the OBD. Even the car is turned off, we can adjust the setting to parking sensor. If your car is being hit, it will automatically record the events. And for the protection, inner protection from the UV rays and heat, we use the BF Film Supreme Plus series. This is 99% heat rejection. Side and back, they're using the super dark, while the front is medium. I think this is the 7th or 8th unit of my client using BF Film in his cars. And also, we install Hypotec matting all the way to the cargo tray. Okay. For the exterior on this unit, we replace the suspension. We use the Tane Enduro Pro Plus. This is adjustable dampening to make the car more smooth ride. And also, we replace the wheels and tires on this unit. We're using the VOC Racing, 20H VOC Racing here. VOC Racing Daytona series. Wrap in Nitto Grappler G2 tires. This is an all-terrain tires. And of course, for better brake system, we use the Brembo GT brake. On the rotor, we use the drill type. This is the drill because you have the option of choosing drill or slatted on the rotor. The front is a 6-pot, while the rear caliper is 4-pot. Because the original is only 2-pot for the rear and 4-pot on the front. So there's a big difference. And lastly, we retouch all the defective panels, scratches on the bumpers and the door before we apply IGL ceramic coating on the unit. The purpose of the coating, easy to clean, less scratches, and protect like birds drop harmful. As we applying here, even the plastic parts, we treated it with ceramic coating. Even the headlight, the grill, stepboard. This one, the stepboard, we treated it with ceramic coating, pillar plastic, tail light, and also the interior edge of the door, we apply with ceramic coating. And also, the wheel set, we apply coating for easy clean. 5 coats of coating apply. This is our standard, how we do it here. If you like our products here, feel free to message me here. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel at PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!